I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset service on Jaguar XF. Start by getting into your Jaguar XF. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. You'll see the instrument cluster light up. Now, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the menus. This initial step is crucial for accessing the service reset function. It's a simple process that takes just a few moments to set up correctly. Once you're in the main menu, look for an option like Service or Vehicle Information. Use the up and down arrows on your steering wheel to scroll through the choices. When you find the correct option, press and hold the trip reset button, usually found on the instrument cluster itself. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds until a message about the service interval appears. After the service interval message appears, release the trip reset button. The system will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Press and hold the trip reset button one more time for approximately 5 seconds. This action confirms your intention to reset the service reminder. You'll see a confirmation message, and the service interval will be successfully reset to its factory default settings. To finalize the process, turn your Jaguar XF's ignition completely off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn the ignition back on. This allows the system to fully register the changes. Now, check your instrument cluster. The service reminder message should no longer be displayed, indicating a successful reset. This simple guide helps you maintain your vehicle's service schedule with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.